Pix cannot connect to this network on Windows 10 Wi-Fi connection problem. Hey everyone, let's get started. Today's video will be discussing some of the solutions to connect your network. The first one is make sure you disconnect to your Wi-Fi and then you can forget it. After doing that, you have to then connect it again using the password. This should probably fix your problem. However, if this is not working, the second solution is you need to restart your router once. Make sure to reboot it timely and this should also fix the connection problem. However, if this is also not working, the third solution is to change your password. Once you have changed your password, you need to connect it again to your device. Likewise, the fourth solution would be to change your DNS to any of the Google or Cloudflare's DNS. For that, you can either connect to the ISP or you can do it remotely on your device as well. Well, this was some of the solutions to your problem. For more such content, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.